Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out or sign out of your Stargazer Wallet application. So in order to do that, first of all, open your Stargazer app from your app drawer and make sure that you're inside your main homepage of the wallet. If you ever want to log out of your wallet, then the process is quite easy. Simply tap on the gear icon located at the bottom right hand corner, and then under settings, you will be able to see the logout option popping up at the bottom right. Simply tap on log out, but make sure you remember your password for your wallet, since every time you open up your wallet, you will need to enter your login password. So that is how you should be able to log out of your Stargazer Wallet application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.